Welcome back. One executive at Internet Computer Protocol is now stating that ICP will, quote, blow minds in 2024, and we are in 2024 right now. And as you guys have seen over the last year, Internet Computer has performed extremely well, going from a low in September of 2023 of about $2.90, $2.70, all the way up to kind of this peak of about $15 in February of 2024. And I believe they're going much, much higher. And it seems that the executives over at Dfinity and who work on the Internet Computer also believe the same thing. Jan, who is the cryptographer and chief tech officer at Dfinity, which is the developer behind the Internet Computer, said on X right at the beginning of March 2024, AI on ICP will blow your minds in 2024. And he subtweeted this, which basically has a strategic initiatives officer from SingularityNet. And there's Jan from Dfinity Foundation. Now, SingularityNet is an AI project that they're the world's leading decentralized AI marketplace running on blockchain. Their mission is the development of AGI. Now, what's interesting here is SingularityNet, a few years when they launched on Ethereum. And then a few years ago, they kind of did some kind of partnership with Cardano and Charles and bridged the coin to AGIX over to Cardano. Now, what their status is right now with Cardano, not really too sure. They haven't really talked about it that much. But effectively, the post that he subtweeted was this post, and it says, a central aspect of the SingularityNet collaboration with Dfinity is the joint development of a decentralized AI marketplace hosted on the Internet Computer Protocol. In parallel, we are testing the possibility of hosting AI models and platform services in ICP canisters. Whoa! Do you guys understand what this post means? To me, it says that SingularityNet is tapping Internet Computer to host their AI models and the platform services on the ICP platform. What this also tells me is that SingularityNet has just dropped Cardano. And that, we need a Dr. Evil face. Anyway, by the way, this is the Cryptoviser podcast. We upload every single day of the year since 2018 to bring you the latest happening in the financial world. So make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. Also, do me a favor, give the video a free thumbs up. We upload every day since 2018, and I try to keep you guys on top of the latest happening in the financial world. Nothing is financial advice that I say on this channel. These are just my opinions, thoughts, and strategies, and I absolutely can be wrong about anything and everything that we talk about. Now, we've been covering SingularityNet for a long time, but this shift that appears to be going on tells me one of a few things. One, Cardano does not have the capacity or capabilities to run SingularityNet's AI models and platform services. Because if they did, they already work with Cardano, and they already have a friendly, working relationship with Cardano and Charles and IO Global. So why wouldn't they do it on Cardano? Well, you guys can probably answer that question for yourself. But it's also important that we understand last year in 2023, Dfinity Foundation and SingularityNet partnered to transform decentralized AI with blockchain integrations. So this happened, what is the date on this? November of 2023. The Dfinity Foundation and SingularityNet announced an initiative to merge Internet Computer blockchain with SingularityNet's marketplace. The collaboration aims to transform the accessibility and transparency of decentralized large language models. By integrating these advanced technologies, the initiative is aiming to redefine the landscape of decentralized artificial intelligence. So this is huge. This is really big because, guys, we've been talking about a lot of different AI cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects, but these are the big ones, right? These are the highest market cap, the most, I would say, development activity and developer teams around the world, the most venture capital money that's being pumped in. And so you have Internet Computer and SingularityNet combined doing these things together. Now, on the other hand, you also have Fetch AI and Pal AI working together. Maybe all four of these are going to come together at some point. I mean, eventually this kind of technology, the AI stuff, it's going to kind of consolidate because it is going to get more expensive and a lot harder to process more of the data as more people start using these technologies, and it has to process more types of data and just more of the data because of how many users are going to be using the technology, right? So where do I want to be positioned? Well, I am a holder of Internet Computer. I haven't sold recently, and I don't plan on it, although that can change. So make sure you guys do your own research before you make investment choices, because this video may be out of date. My investment strategy and thesis may have changed. You can also subscribe. That way you stay up to date on what my thesis is. But I do hold Internet Computer, and it is one of my top positions. And I called this, in 2023, that Internet Computer is well positioned for AI on top of everything else that they already do. I mean, if you look at the Internet Computer dashboard, the amount of blocks that they process, transactions they process per second, all of the nodes around the world, I mean, and how many smart contracts are actually already deployed, it's pretty groundbreaking. It really is. And a lot of people, I don't think, take this and understand the complexity of it and why it is so important. I mean, you could see that there's either a node for Internet Computer or plans to put node for an Internet Computer on every single continent here, except for obviously Antarctica, although that may happen at some point in the future. And so Internet Computer has also been working on this and talking about Internet Computer's AI capabilities for many years now. 2022, this post on the DFinity forum talks about AI and machine learning on the Internet Computer. And they talk about, what are some of the possibilities? What are some of the things that they are working on? What are some of the things that they could be working on? And yeah, it's very interesting. This person actually said the only exception I'm seeing to compute-heavy applications like AI is basically if someone ported all the necessary libraries common for machine learning to Rust, it would be a waste of resources to run these compute-heavy applications on the Internet Computer, because all these processes would end up being replicated on multiple machines. Are there other reasons to make AI on the Internet Computer an impossibility or just a stupid idea? Well, no, it's a good idea. And Internet Computer needs AI, because if you just think about the AI cycle, we are really in the first, I'm talking about market-wise. We've had AI for many, many years. Most people don't really know because they don't really openly interact with it, but they've had chatbots for years. You call a company and they say, please tell us your phone number. And then you tell them your phone number. They're like, did you just say this? And you're like, no, that's not what I said. They're like, repeat your phone number. And then they get it wrong again. And you're like, just get me to a person, right? That's all AI. And so we've had it for many years, but with this, the monetizing of it, right, from a global market standpoint, with these large corporations and now obviously large blockchains, this is effectively the first cycle that we're seeing in AI. So the potential for these AI cryptos during the AI narrative times, whenever that happens, has the potential to go much, much higher, and then the next cycle, probably just as good, if not better. Usually cycle 1 is super great. Cycle 2 is awesome. And then as cycles go on, you see less percentage gains than you did in previous cycles, because obviously AI is new now from a monetization standpoint, but in a few years from now, it won't be as new, so it won't be as exciting. There's going to be something else that's even more exciting. What that is, who knows? But this is one of the reasons that I am a huge supporter of Internet Computer Protocol. Back in 2023, DFinity launched a $5 million grant program to support decentralized AI on the Internet Computer. And so they've been doing this for a while. They said advantages of running AI on the Internet Computer, which play a role of an autonomous cloud, include running AI in an open environment on a public network, running AI in a way that allows AI models and data being used for training and inference to be kept separate, allowing for different parties who don't trust each other to combine their models and data in an open marketplace. You can run AI that is truly integrated with Web3, where it can be called by on-chain blockchain code called smart contracts, and full AI smart contracts are coming soon. Now, that was obviously last year, and you can see what this is going to actually support. So in my view, yes, AI is going to be huge in this cycle, whether it's Fetch AI, Pal AI, Internet Computer, Singularity Net, or whatever other AI projects pop up. But the only blockchain that is not, like Internet Computer is not just an AI blockchain. It's a blockchain for finance as well. but it can be the AI, it's perfectly set up for it, right? Think about it. Internet computer, world computer, right? That's really what they're going for. And so this type of technology can and is perfectly situated for AI type of technology, where a lot of these other blockchains, they go over a certain number of transactions per second, the blockchain shuts down. Solana, right? You have other blockchains like Cardano that just can't process the throughput needed for AI compute data. And it appears, based on SingularityNet moving their marketplace and platform services to internet computer canisters. I agree with Jan. I do. Chief Technology Officer over at Internet Computer, over at Dfinity. I think AI on ICP is going to blow all of our minds this year. And is this going to translate to higher prices, higher market cap? Very likely. But again, nothing I say is financial advice. I want to know what you guys think about internet computer and AI down below in the comments. While you're down there, give the video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you want to help support the channel by becoming a channel member, click that join button down below to learn more about becoming a channel member. Thanks for watching. See you guys tomorrow. Invest responsibly and crypto on.